Did you know a single DNA test can mean the difference between life and death? Felix, a forensic analyst, stared at his computer screen in disbelief. The DNA results were crystal clear. The man facing execution was completely innocent. But then his phone rang. The district attorney had an offer that would change everything. $150,000 and a big promotion, just for changing a few numbers in his report. Felix felt his hands shake as he realized what they were asking. An innocent man would die if he stayed quiet. But speaking up meant losing his job, his career, maybe everything he'd worked for. The prosecutors made it clear. Powerful people wanted this conviction, and they'd destroy anyone who got in their way. Felix made his choice. He kept the real evidence and told the truth in court, even as threats poured in. He lost his job immediately, but something amazing happened. His honest testimony freed the innocent man and caught the real killer. Today, Felix leads federal forensic oversight, proving that doing right always wins in the end.